In this video, I'm going to show you one indicator that is best for the finding the trend reversals, and this is much better. You know that these type of paired indicators are also launched in the market, but I'm going to give you the substitute indicator that is completely for free to use on TradingView. And you can see that this indicator is showing us very good results with the perfect buy and sell signals. And if you're going to use these signals with a slight common sense, then you can make yourself as a profitable trader. Okay, so I'm going to delete that indicator, and let me tell you that how you can attach this indicator on TradingView. First of all, go to the indicator section and write INK ink. Okay, so when you write ink, then this indicator will come, that is called all moving average bands, X2TF count, and the name of the author is Inkpan. Okay, so when you attach this indicator on your screen, so basically it looks like this, and just go to the setting and uncheck these labels so that they should not disturb you on the screen. Okay, now first of all guys, if you are going to use that indicator according to the liquidity hunt, then you can make a very good profit. So for example, just look at this signal, that where this signal was generated. This is exactly generated, this sell signal was generated from the support area, from the resistance area. And if you cover the 8 videos that I have given in my YouTube channel playlist, then if you learn liquidity completely for free, then just visit my YouTube channel. There is a playlist in the name of advanced trading course, and learn about the liquidity. So basically our entry becomes exactly from that area. Okay, so we will ignore that signal because this is exactly from the resistance, and we are not going to trade the signals that are exactly from the resistance. And this is the liquidity hunt that is done, and then you can see that was the time to for the market to go into the downward side. Okay, so my playlist is very important for you if you want any kind of betterment in your trading. Okay, now you can see you got a slight reversal here as well. You can use this indicator on any time frame, and it doesn't matter you are trading forex, crypto, stocks. Okay, now you can see we will ignore that signal that is exactly from the resistance area, and you can take the next signal that is after the liquidity hunt, because the liquidity is hunted here. And then you can see that was the overbought levels for the market according to these bands, and then you can see the price is down. So mostly when I trade according to the liquidity hunt, and my students know very well about the liquidity. Okay, now just look at this overall. If you just look at this indicator, that's a sell, buy, and all the signals are very perfect in that case, but definitely not all they are going to perform every time. Okay, now just look at this. The liquidity hunt procedure was done, and then the market has taken a reversal. So trade those signals which are after the liquidity hunt, and you will be very surprised that this indicator will start working for you. Okay, now even look at this. This is the signal from the resistance area, so just ignore that signal. Okay, so for example, if I put a rectangle here, then you can see this is exactly a cell from that area. Look at this. Why this next cell is worked? Because that was the sell after the liquidity hunt. So this is completely free indicator, and you can even use it on the 15-minute time frame, and whatever time frame you can simply go for that indicator. And sometimes in the trending market it will lag, but overall I think so when we talk about the free indicators, at least it is giving you a scalping chance here. So if you are going to do the scalping with the proper stop loss, then it's very good for that in that case. Okay, now guys, I'm going to review my market turning points indicator, which is the excellent indicator, and that works into the real time. Okay, so in real time it tells you that this is the sell opportunity and this is the buy opportunity, and this is one of my private indicators. And if you want to get the access of the market turning points indicator, my bank indicator, then visit my website fxmentorus.com. Link is in the description. My market turning points indicator, bank indicator, scalp edge, and these powerful indicators are listed on my website. And if you want to get the access of my powerful indicators, then you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. Links are given in the description.